Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to cancel YouTube Premium subscription. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to the App Store and after that click on your picture on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, the second option is subscriptions. Click on it and wait for a few seconds until it complete loading. And as you can see, there is like YouTube Premium. You have just to click on it. And after that, you have to click on cancel free trial. And if you cancel like the free trial, you will still have access until your next payment date. So you will not lose the access to YouTube Premium immediately. So that's it. So click cancel free trial. And after that, click on cancel subscription. And that's it. So now our subscription to YouTube Premium was cancelled. And that's it. So as you can see now, my subscription was cancelled and it tells me you've cancelled your subscription. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.